How do you know when you've found the one? The one that makes your heart race.
Excuse me.
Your palms sweat. Your knees weak. Because he's trying to steal your stuff.
You can never be too careful. I know all about self-defense. Key knuckles, alarm systems, guard dogs. I can even handle thieves.
He was trying to help you. Oh my eye!
Accomplice.
Did you know that you are over 200% more likely to be stolen from online than in real life? That's why you need Avast. Avast is the free antivirus software that keeps you safe from cyber criminals, kicking them right in the bits. As in computer bits. And maybe their man bits. Yeah! 1 in 5 PC users who downloaded Avast found that they already had malware on their computer. That could be you. Avast is the best free malware protection available for all of your devices. Windows, Android, Mac, and iOS.
See, robbery looks less like that and more like this. You do some online banking on a coffee shop Wi-Fi, not knowing it's insecure. And you don't notice your login's been stolen until a hacker empties your bank account.
But with Avast, you could have seen that the Wi-Fi wasn't secure and avoided the attack altogether. So if you like using the internet but don't love getting hacked, go to avast.com to download Avast today. Oh, and go ahead and get the free version. It's free. Avast will stop malicious downloads, identify dangerous websites, it even halts ransomware attacks. Speaking of ransom, yeah, a kidnapper could come banging down your front door.
Pizza.
Ha! Nice try, kidnapper! But the more likely way you'll be ransomed will look like this. You accidentally click on an email that gives you a virus. Now all your files are being held hostage and the hackers give you 1 day to pay a huge ransom. If you don't, you'll lose all your photos from the last 10 years.
And my dog was so cute. As was my daughter. Sorry, she's the middle child. Between my 2 dogs.
But if you had Avast, it could have detected the ransomware and stopped it dead in its tracks.
See, Avast is very good at stopping things, which makes sense because doesn't the word Avast actually mean stop and pirate? You would know that.
You're a terrible person.
Well, that doesn't mean much coming from a pirate.
PC Magazine said Avast Free Antivirus gives you more than many competing commercial products, meaning
Avast offers better protection in its free version than other brands you have to pay for.
Avast has thousands of 5-star reviews. Even my shut-in brother who works in IT thinks it's fantastic.
It's fantastic.
Love you.
Give me a hug.
Avast is trusted by over 400 million users and stops 50 million attacks each day. Can you imagine 50 million attacks? I do. Constantly.
Avast is PC Magazine's #1 editor's choice for free security software. And maybe you think you're safe because you have a Mac. You're not. Mac-specific attacks have increased dramatically. And the numbers just keep going up.
He's so smart. Avast can keep you from being just another victim by blocking 99.99% of all cyber attacks.
And Avast is always running in the background looking for threats, like me, while doing recon on my creepy new neighbors.
Dead bodies!
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
Think about all the valuable stuff you have on your devices. Personal info, bank data, photos you only intended your spouse to see.
Not my finest moment.
Do you really want to risk all of that by not downloading a free app? So, if you have an identity, files, or memories that you care about, click here or go to avast.com and download Avast today.